Hi folks, Jason at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look today at a 2022 Coachmen Clipper 107 LS. Traditional, beautiful, awesome pop-up camper, nice and easy to tow. You can tow this with just about anything. We're gonna get into some of the features, some of the things I like about it. Love this camper. Really, at the end of the day, it's multifunction. You're able to bring the family along and have all kinds of room inside, and super easy to set up. We set this one up here in the showroom. It took us about 15 minutes. We've got some experience with it, but I can be honest with you in saying that we were learning a few things as we went along, just like you would be if you owned this yourself. Some of the outside features we've got on this, I like this little nod here. We've got pet friendly, which gives you a little hitch on the back of the bumper. So if you want to tie your puppy up on the outside and have a nice spot to secure the leash, make sure that he can't run off, you've got that option there for you. And you've also got a nice outdoor grill on this one. You can see here it's connected to the LP Quick Connect underneath. That's connected right to the grill, which is mounted right on the side of the trailer. Spaced away from the unit, nice and safe, so that the heat doesn't have any impact on the unit itself, and you're able to cook and enjoy yourself on the outside of your beautiful camper. You've got a couple plugs out here, so if you want to plug in a couple things like lights for the awning, that sort of thing, you can plug outside. And of course, our favorite feature is the bottle opener right by the door. Nice and convenient if you do need to open up a cold beverage for yourself. You do have a spot above here for the awning. We don't typically install that before the trailer goes out, but it's nice to have that optional feature as well. You see the two blue LED lights, nice ambiance for the outside of the unit. Let's take a look at the inside now. We'll pop open here. You've got a full kitchen, plumbed in sink, 2-burner propane cooktop, so you're able to get in here and cook a few things if you want to. There is a 12-volt cooler which replaces the refrigerator, which will let you keep everything nice and cool. Low power draw, but make sure that you can keep your food cool and safe while you're away on the road. All kinds of storage options here. You've got some great storage here. Pop a few things open here. Counter space, of course, all that'll fold up when you put it away. Look at all this space at the back. I mean, you really got room here to fit up to 8 people around the table. You can add a second table if you want to, but this does come with one folding table, so you're able to sit inside and have a bite to eat. Good sized bunk ends on this one, and you've got a nice teddy bear finish, nice thick foam mattresses on there. Bunk capacity at 1,000 pounds, so you can fit 2 or 3 kids back there if you want to. Love this feature too. Connected to the light itself is a fan with a light. We'll take a look at the other one too. There's one at either end. So you can see this one here from a distance. There's the light feature there. And then you've got a switch, and that's a little fan as well, so you can keep yourself nice and cool. Love that feature. Of course, the windows zip open. One of the features I like about this one is the retractable blinds. So you can see here you've got little toggles on the blinds to pull those up. We've got this one down in the position that you'd have it in for nighttime or just a little bit of privacy, but you can slide that open. You can see you can actually get a really nice view. It's a plastic window, but beautiful view. And again, that zips open if you want to really open things up and just have the screen that's in behind that plastic. So great open feel to it. You've got a vent here in the middle of the unit as well. Get a little fresh air in here when you need to. And then again, lots of smart storage options hidden underneath the benches as well. So again, this has been a look at the 2022 Clipper Coachmen 107 LS hardtop camper. Nice and easy to tow, great for the family. You want to get out, you're a weekender, this is definitely the unit for you. But multiple functions. I've seen people pull up at events that they want to stay the night in this one. Nice and easy to pull around, set up wherever you go, and really enjoy yourself, whether you're camping, staying over at a friend's house, that sort of thing. It gives you a little room that's portable and gives you lots of options. Come in and see us here at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam. Leisure Time Sales up in Moncton. We would love to find a camper for you. This one is a very towable unit, again, for just about anybody. Come on in and see it. It's in the showroom, so even if it's a rainy day, you can have a nice demonstration of it inside. Hope to see you soon, folks. Have a good day.